Oh, what a lovely day it is.
Help!
Hold on.
Help!
What's going on there?
Help! I got chucked in the boot in the last episode, bro.
What the hell?
I need to fit an intake. Do you want to help?
Yeah, sure.
Sweet, let's go. Episode 3 of my Ford Fiesta Mk6. Nah, still a Ford. Right. Shush. Okay, so with the change the last episode, as I said, the intake kind of just fell off. So we're back to this, but I do have a new full intake. It is a Roos Motorsport silicone pipe with some of the stainless clips. They're like 30 quid just for the clips. That's more than the car. Got a Ram Air intake that I bought separate. I was gonna go K&N, but didn't have the right reducing rings.
That was assisting.
And I've got an oil breather that I kind of cut. That's going to replace the oil breather here because otherwise the car won't start. But changing it from this to a nice proper kit, give you a quick little demonstration of the sound before. So, shh. I started the car. As you can hear, my obnoxiously loud exhaust and the crappy intake. But I'm gonna change that out for this. Cool. Take off the airbox. So the airbox bled.
Have to confirm.
True.
Cold.
My engine just blew up. I'm gonna make my intake magically disappear.
Oh, that's a bit fierce.
I think it worked.
No need for After Effects if you want a squeaky sound.
This thing is annoying to get off.
Oh, breathe pipe.
Yeah.
Breather pipe.
There we go. Intake is off.
Completely off in the road.
And now, intake's gone. Magic. All right, breather and big old juicy intake. Most quality China parts ever.
Is on the sponge gonna get squishy on the plastic slam panel? Is it not gonna fold in there?
It doesn't really make a difference.
Okay.
Because that goes straight out here.
Oh, I see.
Yeah. Tighten mode.
This one is 5 Newton meters on torque.
I'm gonna put it to 6.
My YouTube name is Uvevu Usas.
Like 20 syllable name.
So while Waleed's tightening it up to the correct Newton meters, I'm obviously checking the blinker fluid. So we can see here it's currently on middle, which is good. You don't want it too high or too low. Perfect bang on in the middle.
Car will start blinking too fast. And it's done.
That just looks weird sat like that.
Yeah, no, because I was going to put it in a catch can, but you need an inlet and an outlet. I don't have that. So what that means is that it will kind of spill oil onto this, like a little bit.
Is that the one that goes?
Yeah, that one kind of goes. And then you've got that one that goes. And this one will go. All right, time for a sound check. The new intake. Sounds a lot better.
Yeah.
A bit aggressive now, and I can actually hear it whilst I'm driving down instead of just hearing it. I was a little bit more aggressive when I actually put my foot down. Please don't spit in it. Hello? Anybody home? One little kebab? Intake complete. All right, cool. So I'm going to a little bit more detail of what the intake does and why I changed it. So.
Whoa. This one, though, the Saki one time. Intake, Saki.
And does the Saki better than the old one? The old one it's meant to have a pipe that goes from here to here, but like the old owner just kind of like, nah, didn't want it. So I've taken it off, so I actually have something that A, goes to this pipe here, and I did a little bit of work off camera. And if you look at my amazing fog light delete, you see it's like one of those infinity mirrors, isn't it? And then it goes up, and if you look down here, with my amazing zip tie job, I have it leading right there that comes up to this. Now, you may be thinking, puddle no good, pump'll get water into engine. Puddle no get water into engine. No suction into engine. Engine do good. Cool. And the other part here is you've got the oil breather filter. What that does is it allows oil to kind of spill out and gives it a little bit of breathability. So otherwise the engine wouldn't start, and it's kind of what we want it to do. And the issue with this is I wanted an oil catch can, but it doesn't have an inlet and an outlet. It only has an outlet. So literally all it does is go straight into here, and it does kind of spill over the manifolds. It's just not nice. But it doesn't really affect the engine. It's just kind of not nice to see. But yeah, it's the best I can do because the engine doesn't have the capacity to have the other parts in there. But oil breather, intake, and fog light delete pipe, that is the whole intake system done. Alright, so the little cosmetic thing that I did to this car, I changed the gear shifter. So initially I had this one, and that's the stock one, but I gave it to my mate, asked him to cut it in half so that I could take the little bottom clip and then attach this one onto it, because it is a short throw shifter that comes stock with these, and I kind of wanted to be like a little bad man with this. He didn't do a good job. He's meant to cut to the plastic line. That's not the plastic line. Anyways, I bought this one and it kind of fit on, but with this, as you see, it fit like that, so you could still see the metal pole in. So I bought a fully custom one off of eBay, of course, that is made for this car. As you can see on top, it says ZS, which is the ZETEC S, which is what the car is, somewhat, even though it has no badges. But obviously for the 5-speed gearbox as well. And advantages over this one is the fact that I can put my hand on top of this company, because this just makes barely any contact on my hand. This one I can fully kind of shift like this, and then it just feels comfortable if I do it like this as well. So it's nice to shift with, even though it kind of looks like a little chode, but oh well, I like it. Custom to the car, it's cool. So we've done the intake, we've done the intake feed as well from the deleted fog light. It's a legal one. I'll just probably just delete both just so I can pass an MOT. Also, the other stuff that we're going to be doing in the next episode, this front upper grille, it is chipped as I said before, but over here I bought a Zonsport upper front grille, but I think this is for the pre-facelift model because it doesn't properly fit onto here. So it doesn't completely look flush. There's no holes in the front grille for this. That's how it's meant to look apparently, but I don't like the way it looks. It kind of clashes and that. So what I'm going to do instead is I'm going to get this returned along with the box that I kicked over here. I'm going to paint that fully black along with this lower grille, and in the next episode we're going to fix up the new headlights, but we're going to make sure it's actually clear because I didn't get the right grit sandpaper. I'm going to get the whole car polished so I don't see any swirl marks. The rims are going to be painted black. The front calipers and the rear drum brakes are going to be painted red, or some special paint brushes for that, and that should be everything along with that. So the car's going to look absolutely gorgeous next episode. And then I'm going to steal the S5 in about 5 minutes and then I'm going to speed off. Yes?
What do you think you're doing?
I'm cleaning
Working on the car without me?
Maybe.
Working on the car without me?
What are you doing?
Mate.
What are you doing?
Working on the car without me? Get the boot.
No!
You know what to do?
Oh, please!
What about kids? Get up, man. Get up, bruv. Move.
Can't get him in here, I'll get him in my S5.